Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss hydrolysis. Look to the term hydrolysis. The word hydrolysis is made from two words. Hydro means water. Hydro means what? Water. And lysis mean splitting. So hydrolysis is a chemical reaction in which we add acid or base to water and chemically water break down into OH and hydrogen. So we called it hydrolysis. Now look to the definition. A reaction of salt with water to form constituent acid and base is called hydrolysis. यानी साल्ट नमकियात का पानी के साथ ऐसा केमिकल रिएक्शन जिसमें एसिड बन जाए और साथ साथ बेस, तो हम इसको क्या कहेंगे? हाइड्रोलिसिस कहेंगे. एग्जाम्पल्स मुलाहिजा फरमाएं. सोडियम कार्बोनेट, दिस केमिकल इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड वॉशिंग सोडा. क्या कहते हैं इसको? वॉशिंग सोडा. So this is washing soda. When sodium carbonate react with HOH, HOH means H2O, water. So the water will be broken down or split up into what? Sodium hydroxide. This chemical is also called caustic soda. Now the question is that why it is called caustic soda. Just suppose if you take it in a palm, अगर आप इसको हथेली में ले ले, it will react with the organic tissues. It will react with what? With the organic tissues and create white scales, and those scales are called caustic. That's why it is called caustic soda, and it is also called a strong base. And form what next? It will form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. So sodium carbonates, when react with water, it gave us sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Also we can call it caustic soda along with carbonic acid. Now we can say that the water is broken down chemically or split up, and the reaction will be termed as hydrolysis. Hydro mean water and lysis mean split up. Now look to the second example, copper sulfate. Because copper bear the charge +2 and sulfate radical have charge -2. +2 and -2 cancel with each other and form copper sulfate. When copper sulfate react with water, it will give us copper hydroxide, because it have oxidation state of copper is +2 and oxide is -1. So when we want to make a formula, we will just cross it. So we will write here 2 and 1 can't be right here. And sulfuric acid, again a base is formed. क्या चीज़ बना? Base along with acid, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is also called king of the chemicals. What's king of the chemicals? Why it is called king of the chemical? Because it is used enormously in each industry, if that is leather industry or rubber industry or glass industry or cement industry. So in all these type of industries, the acid, sulfuric acid, will be used. So that's why it is called king of the chemicals. And this acid was discovered for the first time by Muslim chemist Jabir bin Hayyan. He is also called father of the chemistry. Similarly, take the other example, ferric chloride. Ferric chloride is a salt. When ferric chloride react with H2O, so the H2O will be broken down and form ferric hydroxide. It will form what's ferric hydroxide. This one is a base and this one is a acid. So HCl is a strong acid and iron trihydroxide or iron hydroxide is a base. This is a small lesson just about hydrolysis, that and hydrolysis comes into the category of what's hydrolysis comes into the category of chemical reactions of what's chemical reaction. It is a type of chemical reaction, hydrolysis. So I think it is enough for today. Try to understand these examples. I also tell about its chemistry perfectly, and inshallah see you next time with a new chemistry video.